5:25 p.m. Saturday, the weekend of Hurricane Irene. The island this house is on, it's always helpful for me. I watch the rhythm of the swells 5-6 hours ahead of a high tide. I'm late getting here. It's about 3.5 hours before high tide right now. I'm not seeing much. I'm going to attempt to call this one. I hope I'm right. I pray I'm right. East of here, 20-30 miles is going to be pretty bad. New York City is going to be pretty bad west of here. We're going to have a fairly boring hurricane. The comparison I'll give in my lifetime is Hurricane Gloria, which was by all accounts not boring, dangerous and scary. Part of me's scared. I'm always scared. This is weather we're talking about. However, I look at the rhythm of these swells and I'm not seeing much. Truly, it is much higher right now, a few hours before high tide, at Eastern Point Beach in Groton, Connecticut. But the waves are not right up to my feet right now, like I have seen 3 or 4 hours before high tide, even 7 or 8 hours before high tide, right before a big storm was coming. I can't say way ahead of time what tomorrow's going to be like, but tonight is going to be very rainy, very windy, and that's probably going to be about it.